Hey, you do welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to do a water test on this waterproof GORE TEX. I have a special request from viewers saying that they want to see the test. So that's why I'm making this video for you guys to check it out. Okay, this is the original GORE TEX that was collaborated with the Supreme on Black Friday drop. So I'm gonna move to the sink and then test out for you guys and for myself to see. All right, so let's go ahead and then do this. All right, so here we go. I'm not sure, do I need to even do like a small slow motion or what? Let me do a slow motion and test it out. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Somehow it's kind of waterproof, but not actually waterproof. As you see, the water sit through it real quick on there already. but I cannot really feel the inside, so I think that's another layer inside to protect it. So I cannot really feel the inside that is wet. Only the outside right here is wet. So maybe I think there's like a plastic layer inside here. That's preventing from getting wet, but outside right here is wet. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video, and then it proves that it is waterproof. You get wet outside, but you want to get wet inside. Alright, so as you can see, it is not wet. So thank you for watching, and thank you for your requests. I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.